Hello, Holy One. Hello, hello. I'm in Destin. For our beautiful A Time to Rise gathering 2024. And I'm taking this time to open up a very, very special package that I received. So many of you know that when I receive packages, I do an unboxing video, and this is one of those videos, and some additional information will be available in the video as well. So this is a package that I ordered. So sometimes they're gifts that I receive, yes? And then sometimes they're things that I order that I think you might like to know about. These are not paid sponsors. These are just spaces I really, truly love. And so I share them with you. All right, so this package came all the way from Australia. I'm in the United States of America. And this is from a beautiful couple, Malachi and Ness. And Ness has a business called Seraphic Sway. Seraphic Sway. Oh my goodness. So right when you open, there's this beautiful message right there. And it says, you are your own guru. Love, 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 love. So we open up the beautiful tissue paper. Oh, look how lovely this is packaged in here, you guys. There's little notes in here, and there's rosebuds. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at these rosebuds. And everything Ness does is natural, beautiful, makes it herself, infuses all her creations with an incredible amount of higher dimensional love. So there's this beautiful card, and it says, Andrea, you are a beacon of light and love. Thank you for choosing us. Seraphic Sway, Australia. Sending you big love. Yes, Ness and Malachi. Blessings, Holy Ones. Blessings, Holy Ones. On the other side of this, it says, you are the soul of the universe, and your name is love. Look at this. Beautiful. So there's lots of these rosebuds in here, which I'm going to keep and place on my altar. They're incredibly beautiful. And so these are the items I ordered. Ness creates incredible creations, like I said, higher dimensional, infused with incredible love. Yes, divine love. So this is the first one. This is the first one. And I'm going to open. And this is the spikenard, all heal spikenard. If I'm saying this correctly, hopefully I am. So spiritually, spikenard. Infinite expansion, devotion, love, connection, clarity, forgiveness, peace, anoint, holy oil. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is beautiful. And you can use it in so many different ways. You can use this in ceremony. You can use this in meditation. You can use this for a daily blessing of your being. You could use this as a self-care space. So really beautiful. This is the spikenard on her page. Seraphic Sway. I'll put a link to her page as well. Let's smell it. I always love to smell them. Yakua nene awatea tabuku ayi. Hasanea. Let's try a little bit of it as well. Drops. Beautiful. Ness, thank you. This is holy oil. This is holy oil. Let's look at what else we have in here. I ordered 2 things. Here's number 2. Beautiful linen bags that these come in as well. You can reuse. So this is the second thing that I ordered. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at this beautiful clear quartz crystal they've hooked to the packaging. This is the Gypsy Lotus oil. Oh, I'm so excited. Gypsy Lotus oil. Thank you for that clear quartz crystal. Oh my goodness. So let's smell this Gypsy Lotus oil. Look at this. This is, oh my goodness. Deluxe Gypsy Lotus. Apply a few drops. Fresh skin, hair, third eye, temples, meditation. You could use this in blessing ceremonies. Let's see what this one smells like. Oh my goodness, I can feel this energy before I even get to it totally here. Oh my goodness. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. And that's the Gypsy Lotus. Oh, I love them both. That has the blue lotus, saffron, and hemp seed, and the spikenard. I'm going to tell you what, though, this spikenard really, wow, it is really big. Really well done, Ness. I love them both. I love them both. And there's more in here. Let's see what this is. There's another bag in here. Oh, some lovely cards. Seraphic Sway. May a little bit of magic find you every single day. All that we see or seem is but a dream within a dream. Your authenticity is your superpower. How lovely. These beautiful cards. Isn't this lovely? You can place them on your altar or in your kitchen or wherever you would like to place them, right? Oh my goodness, these must be gifts. Thank you. Oh my goodness, so this says awakening oil, blue lotus, butterfly pea. Let's see if I can open this one. Might need to get a little knife. Oh, I've got it, hold on. Yes. This is very, very nicely packaged here. Let's see what this says. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness, you guys. Wow, this is, whoa. Oh my goodness, so the oil's in this vial, this little bottle, and then there's this wax, yes, sealing on the top of it. Ayakuanea. Yapopoaye, yapopoaye. Yanede, yanede, kauku. Yasatoa, yasatoa, poaye, yapoaye. Beautiful. This is called Awakening. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Thank you for this. Thank you for this. You apply a few drops on the third eye, activate soul journeys, remembering strong connections to the soul self. Awakening oil. Wow, this is powerful. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see what else we have in here. And many of you know that I teach Acasma quantum energy, and I facilitate Acasma quantum energy. And one of the biggest things we share is that we don't utilize plant medicine. You can if you want, but in this space of what I do, we don't. And we don't need to, because this work is such a higher dimensional space of connection. We don't need to. This is what I would say we use, is we allow oils. We allow oils to adorn the body. We allow crystals. And I say allow. It's not that we don't allow other spaces. We just know we don't need them, if that makes sense. These are beautiful. Yes, these are beautiful. Yes, yes. allies and tools to assist us that are in alignment with us maintaining the sovereign direction of our flow. That's very important. Oh, beautiful. So these are samples of what I purchased. Samples of what I purchased. So I can use these in ceremonies with people. And that will be quite lovely. Thank you for allowing me to do so. Oh my goodness. So this is the Gypsy Lotus, and there's also a sample of the Gypsy Lotus and the two of the Gypsy Lotus. Yes. Thank you. Oh my goodness, this is perfect. This is perfect. Oh my goodness, I am just blown away. Holy ones, holy ones, holy ones. You are here to remember you are a holy one. You are here to live and be that holy one. That is what this work I do is all about. Acasma quantum energy, the reconnection, remembrance, and activation of who you truly are, so that you can implement it in your now. You have a human form, you're living a human life, but you are the ground crew, if you will, of the initiation of the new earth. Yes! And yes, this space of us is ever expanding, ever expanding. And there are many ways in which we assist ourselves, nurture ourselves, adorn ourselves, bless ourselves. These oils are one of those ways. Thank you, Ness, for remembering who you are. Thank you, Malachi, for remembering who you are. And thank you for implementing that remembrance in your daily lives and being the divine individuals you are. Yes, higher dimensional beings in human form that you are, to create these glorious, incredibly powerful creations. I am very mindful of what I put on my body. Yes, and I am very mindful of what I utilize in my ceremonies. These are oils I use in my own space. So if you want to know what I use, here you go. And again, I do this from my heart because that's how much I believe in these people. I bought these. They gifted me the sample pieces and that glorious third eye awakening oil as well. Thank you. But I invest in these because I believe in them. Yakoa nene awa. Yakoa nene awa. We are light and we are here. Blessings upon you, holy ones. Blessings.